Hello, today we're going to do some quick images. So you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. I will show the image and you will draw a picture of the shape, and then the image will disappear, and then you can look at it again to revise your work. Here's the first one. All right, can you draw a picture of that shape? All right, let's look at it again, and you can revise your work. All right, what kind of shape was that? Was that a square? Okay, let's look at it. What are some of the attributes of a square? In other words, how many sides does it have? Right, it has 4. It has 4 straight sides, and they are all the same length. This one is the same as this, and these are the same as the top. All right, how many corners does it have? Right, it has 4 corners. Is a square closed or is it open? Right, it is a closed shape. All right, so let's look at another shape. Are you ready? Can you draw a picture of that? Let's look at it again to revise any work. All right, what can you tell me about that? What do we call this shape? That's correct, it is a rectangle. All right, what can you tell me? What are the attributes about a rectangle? How many sides does it have? All right, it too has 4 straight sides. How many corners? Yes, it has 4 corners. All right, is it a closed or open shape? Yes, it is closed. All right, let's look at another shape. All right, can you draw a picture of that? Let's look at it again. All right, what kind of shape is this? Is it a square or is it a rhombus? It's really a square, isn't it? Because let's look. It's just been turned. It's just been turned slightly. We still have our 4 straight sides, and they are the same length. All 4 are the same. We have 4 corners, and it is closed. All right, let's look at all 3 of the shapes together. All right, how are these shapes the same? All right, they do have 4 sides, don't they? 4 straight sides. What else? How else are they the same? They have 4 corners, you're correct. Now, how are they different? A and I are what? Yes, they are squares, where G is a rectangle. That's correct. A and I have sides that are the same length, where G has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Are they all 3 closed shapes? Yes, they're all closed.